everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to slay? Because I know that I am. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to get your free glow up guide in the description, the complete guide for leveling up your look. I have been loving wigs for this hot minute, and I have been using them for protective hairstyles, and I've been really enjoying changing up my look with wigs. So I thought it would be fun to try out cheap Amazon wigs that are synthetic hair, and I wanted to see how good quality they actually are. So I decided to try out this one. So when you open your packet, this is what you will see. I opened it and I really liked the packaging, even though it was quite affordable and cheap. I think it was around £32, and this is what comes inside. So you get your wig, and you just get this little leaflet kind of thing, just their advertisement. You also get 2 free wig caps, and the wig comes in the bag, and it's by a brand called Charisma. I'm not sure if I'm saying this correctly, but it comes in this packet, and I'll leave all of the links in the description of what I used. I used the Got To Be gel to stick it down, to glue it, because it's quite sticky. So to glue it down, I used this one. Yeah, it's a lace front wig, and it was only £32, and it arrived super fast. It arrived within 3 days after I had ordered it, and that is fantastic because then the shipping is so fast. What I really like about it the most is that it's not like other synthetic wigs. I really feel like this looks and feels like human hair, and it makes me feel really luxurious wearing this. It looks more human than the other kinds of synthetic hairs that are out there. So it just feels, it flows, it's not stiff, it doesn't tangle, which is really nice, and it's not shed yet. So that's what I've really liked about it. You can see that I'm like feeling this. I'm like, yes, yes. So yeah, it's really easy to detangle. You can see like the brush just runs through it, the curls bounce back, and you can use heat on it just like human hair, which is a really great plus. So I decided to pluck some of the hairs out on the lace when I first got it, and I just plucked along the hairline just to make it a little bit thinner so it's not as thick. And then after I did that, I decided to cut the lace on my head because I found it was a little bit easier to shape it to my head, and I was just carefully cutting the lace so that it actually fits my own hairline, and just checking it in the mirror and making sure that it looks correct. So that's what I'm doing here, and I was just trying to see whether or not it matches up or not, and then I was just cutting it and then neatening it up. And then afterwards I used the Got To Be gel and started adding that all around my hairline just so that I can glue it on, and then I left it to get tacky. So if you're looking for some really nice budget wig, I really think you should check out this brand on Amazon because it's really affordable, and sometimes you can buy real wigs with real hair and they don't live up to what you expected. But with this, it's kind of like you can use it and then throw it away within a couple of months, or you could even wash it and try to revive it as well. But it's just nice to change up your look, and it's affordable, and it's not expensive at all because, you know, you're getting nice human quality, but it's actually synthetic, which I think it's worth it. So I will be buying more wigs from this company because I really love this a lot. So let me know what you think. Is it a yay or a nay? And leave your comment down below, because I'd love to hear what you think. I personally really love it, and I've been loving wigs for protective styling because you can look after your hair underneath. And that's the best part about having a wig. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to watch my next video, you know, YouTube says that you would like this video right here. So it's going to suggest a video that it thinks that you want to watch. So you should probably click here and then go to that video, because you haven't had enough of me clearly, because you're still at the end of this video, so you need to click here